Today we're going to talk about the 5 levels of communication. They are from smallest to largest: intrapersonal, interpersonal, group, public speaking, and mass communication. Now, many students do confuse intrapersonal and interpersonal, but let me show you a way to keep them separate. Intrapersonal has A in those 3 middle letters. A is the first letter of the alphabet. Therefore, intrapersonal is communication with one person. In this case, the sender is the receiver. You use intrapersonal communication when you think to yourself or talk to yourself. You're processing information. All of that is intrapersonal communication. When you add one person to this, you go to the next level, interpersonal. The vowel is between 2 consonants in interpersonal, and so interpersonal communication is between 2 people. When you add a third person, it becomes group communication. There is no absolute set limit to the number of people in groups, but it is necessary that everyone has an equal opportunity to participate. So if the group gets too large, that no longer happens. That usually becomes public communication. One speaker talking to numerous listeners. Those listeners can have some feedback and can participate, but it is not on an equal level. The one speaker does the majority of the speaking. Our largest communication is mass communication. This is where you have one transmission that is received at different times or locations. Some examples of mass communication could be the internet. People all over the world can view streaming at the same time, but they are in different locations. Television is an example. People can be watching the Super Bowl. If they are watching it in different locations through that one transmission on ESPN, then it is going to be mass communication. Now, the people that are listening to the announcer in the stadium, even though they are a mass of people, are receiving that message at one time at the same location. So they are not participating in mass communication, they are participating in public speaking. Radio, magazines, newspapers, books are all examples of mass communication. So our smallest, intrapersonal, one person, add another, the E between 2 consonants is 2 people, group is 3 or more, but everyone has a chance to participate equally, public speaking, one speaker, many listeners, and mass communication, one transmission being received at different locations or different times. Those are your 5 levels of communication.